might blow me through, blow me through. Talking to the friends that I don't have, why am I surprised? They got no clue, got no clue. If there is such thing as a heaven, I just pray to God that I get there soon. A call from a payphone stall telling me not to talk to you. If you look close, you can tell those one best thing putting your demons up on the shelf only gives them time to themselves. I drive my worries in a wishing well, never hit the bottom far as I can. Preachers writing prayers that he thinks might sell, never found peace in holy hell. If there is such thing as a heaven, I just pray to God